The Word of God is alive and powerful, sharper than any two-edged sword, piercing even to the dividing asunder of the soul and the spirit, and of the joints and the marrow, and is a critic of the thoughts and intents of the heart. Welcome once again to our daily doctrinal Bible study of the Balbido Evangelistic Ministry. Today, we will talk about emotion. First of all, emotion is one of the 6 essences of the soul. Here again are there 6 essences of the soul: self-consciousness, mentality, volition, conscience, and emotion. Now, emotions react to tragedy. That can be found in Jeremiah 4:19, Lamentations 1:20, Lamentations 2:11. Emotion contains no doctrine. Emotion does not have any ability to think, to make a correct decision, or to use common sense. Emotion does not have the ability to handle life at all. And since it does not have the ability to handle life, emotions react to tragedy. And people who are in this condition tend to have a nervous breakdown. Emotion is the appreciator of love. Genesis 43:30, 1 Kings 3:26, and Philippians 1:8.